Hi, my name is Teresa Beneteau. I'm the founder of this company. And I just want to tell you that you're at the right place, especially if you're looking at wanting to sell your property. A lot of people come to us for different reasons. There may be, uh, a death in the family. There may be health issues. There may be a divorce. There may be, uh, you know, challenges with the property, not wanting to pay real estate commissions. Maybe someone gave you a property through an inheritance that maybe you don't want the headache. Maybe there's problem tenants, anything like that. So a lot of people come to us with any different situation that they're having. Maybe your house needs a lot of work, maybe it doesn't need any work. Whatever it is, we can still facilitate the sale for you. And like it says in the ad, is that we don't charge any real estate commissions. We'll take the property as is. We can close in as soon as 3 days, and then we can also extend that out. It's whatever you need. So we just want to make sure that all the way through the process, we'll take care of your legal fees up to $1,500. We can close the property whenever you like. You can just literally walk away, hand us the key, and you have no more concerns with the property whatsoever. We'll take care of everything from the beginning to the end. Would very much welcome a full conversation with you. Just explain to us a bit about your situation, what it is, how we can serve you at the highest level, and we'd be more than willing to do that. So please fill out the form. All it is so that I can be in contact with you or another member of the team, and that way there we can get an address of where you're located, so we can do some beginning some of our due diligence that of course we have to do. There won't be multiple showings. There will be a few showings. We will have to show our investor partners the property. However, it will not matter what it looks like when they get there. So you have nothing to worry about, nothing to be concerned about. No for sale sign is going to go on your front lawn. Your neighbors aren't going to know your business. This is going to be a direct transaction. And basically all that we do is that we acquire properties and we get them at deep discounts. We're able to funnel them through to our investor partners. They in turn will purchase that property and bring it to its fullest potential and then resell it is all that we do. So we're the ones that take on the initial in regards to the seller. Like yourself, we'll have this open dialogue over the phone. Again, just filling out that form is vital for us. And we can go from there and we will take care of the rest. So all the paperwork we're going to take care of, getting everything in front of your lawyer. So we're only going to do things that are legal, moral, and ethical. That's the only way that we do business. And just so you know, is at any given time you want out of this transaction, that's fine too. So there's no obligation whatsoever to use our services from the start to the finish. So we just want to make sure, number one, that you're taken care of and that you're satisfied. And, again, everything is going to be lawyer approved so that there's no risk on your behalf with that. So please fill out the form. Let's have a conversation, pick up your phone, give us a call, and we look forward to serving you. Thank you.